sourdough discard is out from the fridge. I have dinner started. The plan is to make a recipe for beef suya and tomatoes focaccia using my discard. Using what I have to make a recipe decreases waste and the opportunity to experiment with my sourdough discard. I also want to see how a focaccia recipe without water but with more discard will turn out. Discard is liquid gold, so I do not waste it. I am always trying new recipes to get it discarded preciously. I have baked overnight focaccia before using an active starter, not a discard, and I loved it. This time I'm trying a new recipe with the sourdough discard. Sometimes trying a new thing goes wrong, but I'm willing to learn one or two things not to repeat. I can tell already that my discard in the recipe is too much. Now I wonder if my attempt at focaccia with sourdough discard will be a hit or miss. Dinner is stir-fried rice steaks and baked spicy fish. I find time in between the hours to make my own sourdough bread. I have found ways to fit sourdough into my lifestyle. Over time, I have seen how my sourdough starter and discard react to feeding and the weather, which has helped me in creating my flexible schedule. So this recipe is not going well. The dough is fermenting too quickly and tearing apart. I hope I can salvage the situation by adding 1 more cup of flour. I guess I'll have to wait and see what I end up with tomorrow. Straight out of the fridge, the dough is cold and stiff. I'll do a quick fold and leave on the baking tray covered to heat room temperature and cool 1 more time. Here are my toppings: sea salt, cherry tomatoes, and definitely some suya.
Was enjoying, but let's hope that it was, I was suffering. Do what you gotta do.
So what do you think? A hit or a miss? The texture is lovely, but maybe more bubbles, and I prefer a lighter bread, not dense. I most definitely want to redo this recipe again.
Cut it with this suya.
Sorry, this one is not meant to look. I start to smell it.